Hey, this will be a video chart on PDOS. Had quite a few people asking about this one, essentially from down here, so I should have done the video right here before it really made its big move. But the majority of the requests I got today were kind of from people freaking out and getting a little scared and all that stuff. And I really have no idea what's going on from the fundamental slash story standpoint. But from the technical standpoint, there's really nothing to worry about. Sure, the day was red, but unless you're a day trader, and you bought up here or something like that, then yeah, maybe you should be in a little bit of a panic mode. But for the majority of people that I think are in this for the longer term swing trade, or maybe in this for the long haul based on fundamentals, like I said, from the technical standpoint, nothing to worry about at all. Red day, but the first thing to note on the red day was when we looked down here at the volume, it was less than what this breakout day was. So nothing to worry about there, just simply some consolidation. The other reason where I don't see any sort of kind of need to freak out or anything is the price is still well above the 200-day simple moving average right here, which is the current or which was the resistance that it broke through, and it has now become the current level of support. Now, had this been a day where this volume bar here was really big, something like this bar over here, and had it close a little bit below, the 200-day, then that'd be a different story. There would be kind of a few things, red flags to keep your eye on and think, well, maybe things are starting to turn around. But it was simply just looking like a consolidation day, and the chart does do a good job of providing, past history. If we look back here, you can simply see that here was a red day, sideways day. It maintained the 50-day at this point in time, and then a couple more sideways periods before the price really moved upwards. So hopefully history will repeat itself here. The price was already overextended after this day, anyways. So if anything, it was healthy to see some sideways action here. But like I pointed out, ideally we want to see this 200-day simple moving average hold as support. If it doesn't, you still have other supports below you. The first one being down here based on this previous high, which is at 0.045. So this will be another area of support if that 200-day simple moving average doesn't hold on what looks like is the current kind of little pullback consolidation area we're in right now. As far as resistance levels, the main one I'd focus on now is just simply the previous high right up here at 0.074. But with the charts like this, the key thing is going to be what kind of consolidation is it going to go through. Is it going to go through another healthy one like it did back here, or have things run out of gas? I don't know the answer to that, but based on today's action, I don't see anything to panic about from the technical side of things. Like I said, and I'll just repeat it one more time. It was a red day, yes, but the volume was much less than the breakout day, and it's still maintaining above its support levels. And any technical analysis textbook or Google search you do will tell you that pullback days you want to see less volume than the breakout days, and that's exactly what happened here. So it's pretty much a wait and see, and as long as we can go through the healthy consolidation, then it's probably only a matter of time before the next leg comes to the upside. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was PDOS. Thanks for listening.